Kia ora, good morning. It is Tuesday. Yeah, I am Micro Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Okay, straight to business this morning. The business of trying to make sense of the wild ride in financial markets over the past 24 hours. Yeah. Let's start with equities. Why not? Yeah, so they sank, is the short version. Losses for the US majors currently sit at 9 point something percent. Not great, but better than they were earlier in the trading day, remarkably. Anyway, that decline, or those declines, came despite an emergency 100 basis point cut from the Fed yesterday morning, Sunday afternoon in New York when they announced that action. Surprising, but not super surprising at the same time. Anyway, yeah, look, the Fed action clearly did little to support stock markets, but to be fair, it probably wasn't really designed to. Yeah, the Fed, they are trying, like all central banks at present, are trying to support the economy, and stock markets aren't the be-all and end-all of the economy. They're a proxy for it, sure. Anyway, looking at it another way, the Fed, the RBNZ, all central banks really, they've provided spoonfuls of medicine. Medicine takes time to work, and needs other medicine to help it. Yeah, so what did like medicine do for currency markets? Volatility, in a word. In more words, in aggregate, the central bank action weighed on the US dollar and, setting aside a lot of noise, ultimately resulted in a bit of status quo, probably temporary status quo, for the Kiwi. Yeah, so basically the New Zealand dollar dipped to the mid-59s on the RBNZ rate cut, rallied to the mid-61s on the Fed cut, then wobbled aggressively in the mid-60s, which is more or less where it was trading on Friday night. That mid-60s level was maintained until the early hours of this morning. Then volatility resumed, a dip below 60 cents, a rally back above 61, and we're now sitting at 60.6. Yeah, it's choppy. The Kiwi crosses, even more excitement there, especially, excitement might not be the right word, but especially in the Kiwi Aussie, expectations that the RBA will jump on that coordinated central bank bandwagon that's prompting calls for the long-hyped parity party. We're currently trading around the 99 cent mark, things are evolving, 99.7 something looks to be the overnight high. Yeah, parity party, if it does happen, social isolation might make it a bit of a dud. Anyway, in summary, interest rates are lower, treasury yields are lower, oil is lower, gold is lower, currencies are volatile, everything is volatile, just not everything is trading necessarily all that sensibly at the moment. Yeah, look, again, things are evolving rapidly, so if you have any concerns or questions on your hedging or the markets or your positioning, please reach out to your dealer in the dealing room, Kiwibank dealing room. We are here to help where we can. Yeah, okay, kia pai tōra.